Verify each connection against the wiring diagram and test every circuit before restoring full power. Start by locating the correct wiring diagram for the specific model and keep it in view as you work. Trace each wire from its origin to its terminal and confirm color to terminal matches exactly, remembering that some manufacturers reuse colors differently, so rely on the diagram first. Use a continuity tester to check for open circuits where a wire should be continuous and to confirm there are no unintended shorts between conductors. When possible, manually jog components such as the fan and compressor using the control terminals to confirm they energize and rotate in the correct direction without binding. Reinspect all screw and push terminals for proper clamping and ensure ferrules or insulation sleeves are present where required to prevent stray strand shorts. Finally, perform a controlled power-up to low-voltage circuits first. Monitor for correct voltages and listen for unusual noises before applying full-line power. 3 common issues are swapped or misrouted wires, poor terminal seating, and forgetting to reattach grounding conductors. If wires are swapped, go back to the diagram and systematically identify each conductor with the continuity tester and reconnect one at a time to avoid repeat mistakes. For poor terminal seating, loosen and then retighten terminals while gently tugging the conductor to confirm a firm clamp and replace any damaged terminals or wires. For missing ground connections, prioritize reattaching the ground conductor and verify continuity from chassis to ground reference to ensure fault paths are intact. BigHomeProjects.com helps homeowners locate local contractors and view community experiences related to electrical and mechanical repairs. We make it easy for contractors to find work and for homeowners to ask questions in our discussion community where practical tips and verification approaches are shared.